In a world where hidden dangers still lie beneath the surface, we turn to technology to keep us safe. Meet the SeaTerra DMAG system, a groundbreaking drone designed to detect land and sea mines, buried and forgotten from wars of the past. Let's tell you more about how it works. The SeaTerra drone uses its advanced magnetic sensor to scan the ground, identifying hidden threats. But before the drone begins its scan, there are important preparation steps to follow. We start by setting up the RTK. RTK helps the drone know exactly where it is by using special signals from a base station on the ground. This gives the drone precise accuracy, making it ideal for tasks like mapping and surveying areas. The drone scans the ground, sending signals that bounce back for analysis. It detects unexploded bombs from previous wars, buried for years. When a bomb is found, the GPS beeps and provides exact coordinates using eastings and northings. Cluster bombs, designed to spread hundreds of deadly submunitions over an area the size of a football field. These submunitions bury themselves over the years. The heavier they are, the deeper they go, just waiting for a misstep. We begin by setting up the RTK system. The drone calibrates at 30 meters above ground, covering about 8-kilometer range. This advanced setup ensures every inch of land can be safely scanned for the remnants of war. The drone can be manually controlled, but we prefer its precise auto mode. It scans the ground with magnetometer mapping, detecting hidden explosives that have been waiting to be found before causing harm. Then, it lands back at its base with precision, made possible by the RTK system. It navigates around trees with precision and easily climbs steep mountains, adapting to any terrain it encounters. With SeaTerra, we make your world safer. By detecting hidden threats, we protect lives and ensure a secure future. SeaTerra, because safety isn't just a priority, it's our mission.